Mastering regular expressions is crucial for advanced text processing and software development. Regular expressions allows precise pattern matching, enabling efficient data validation, log parsing, and web scraping. Python's re-module offers powerful functions like match, search, findall, and sub, each serving unique roles in text manipulation and pattern recognition. Python's re-module is essential for text pattern matching and string manipulation. It uses regular expressions to define search patterns, crucial for data validation, log parsing, web scraping, and automated text processing. Key functions include match, search, findall, and sub, each serving unique roles in pattern recognition and text transformation. Regular expressions, RegEx, are specialized string patterns for precise text manipulation. They validate emails, match phone numbers, and extract dates. Key meta characters include \d for digits, \w for word characters, and dot for any character. Python uses raw strings, like R-pattern, to avoid escape conflicts, ensuring pattern accuracy. RegEx patterns consist of literals, meta characters, and quantifiers. Literals match exact characters, like ABC matching ABC. Meta characters, such as caret and $, define positions or conditions. Quantifiers like plus, question mark, and curly bracket n, m control repetition, specifying how many times a pattern should appear. The rematch function checks for a pattern at the start of a string. It returns a match object if successful, otherwise none. For example, using the pattern Python on the text, Python is powerful, results in a match. This function is crucial for validating string beginnings efficiently.